Okay. Now I think we'll be. Welcome back. I'm Pratap Shah, your host, and today we're gonna upgrade all the projects to Laravel 13. Okay, this mic again not working. So today we can see that we have few things to upgrade to Laravel 13, and we will start with Laravel extended relationship, which has uh, PR from the Laravel Shift. So if we see, Laravel Shift has done a PR, some commits and all, but there is one issue with this PR, that is it is it has some issue with the workflow, and if you see, it cannot install something, the test bench version. So so what we can see here is we need to fix that, and rather than doing like this PR to my local and all, what I will gonna do is I will gonna just merge this, and hope I am audible. Let's merge the PR. Merge is already in progress. GitHub sucks sometimes. Wow, this is funny. Okay, so we will have to wait for this PR to get merged. I guess so. But before that, we are still not getting merged. Okay, so maybe we can go for another package. Let's go for basic CRUD then. Yeah. So this one is the basic CRUD package. We will gonna upgrade this using this AI stuff, which is added into the upgrade guide. So let's go here and open basic CRUD instead of this. Like, and you can see that we don't have anything at all here. There's something. Okay, let me do W right here. Let me zoom it bit as well. We don't need this. Let's go to main. Let's do this. Let's see it. Laravel 13. Okay, and so actually we may have a slash up upgrade to Laravel. We don't have that yet. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do compose. Oh, I think we don't have Boost at all. Laravel plus Boost. I guess we don't have a Boost at all. So yeah, we don't have a Boost. So let's install the Boost. Generating that, and let's see till then if the TR got merged. Not yet. Is GitHub down or something like that? I don't know. I'm trying to merge this PR, and it says that merge is already in progress somehow. This is funny though, but yeah. Mm, Okay, let's go ahead, and we have Boost now, so let's do PA Boost install, and we will need everything. We don't need a Boost for save. I don't know if we need that. No for now. No for now. Uh, by default it will be a copilot. So let's do it. So now we have Boost. We have some skills. What I will going to do is I will add everything to the GitHub now instead of adding them. People can go with whatever it is. I think so. That will be a good idea. So we need to put everything into editor. I don't know. Let's do that. So we will gonna check git ignores. Wow, there are so many bugs right now, even in VS Code. Alright. So we will gonna say I don't want to push dot data here slash field, right? And I will also say that I don't want to put this agents dot md file to it and boost dot json as well. So whoever is adding it, they will take care of it. I mean, you know what I mean. Hey, alright. So this we did. Now I hopefully we will have. We don't have. I don't know. Let's try to enable Laravel Boost. Now we will have, I guess. Okay, let's see the. See, it is still not able to merge the PR. Okay, it is saying that we need to do this, right? And if you try to do this, we are not getting at all anything. Okay, and I don't know why. We need to check what version of Boost we have. Literally for that, we just need to go to composer.json and you can see what version of Laravel Boost we have. It's 2.3, yeah. Okay, I think I need to maybe no. It's going a bit crazy. Okay, Laravel Boost is still not available yet. Now I guess it is. Yeah, we got that, I guess. Right? So what we will gonna do is we will gonna just learn it is. That's it. And let's see what happens. So if you do that, we just get this prompt simply from Laravel team, and now it start working on it. It is checking everything. Let's see what happens. Till then, let's check. Okay, this PR has been merged somehow, but we said that there is a issue with uh, what was that? The workflow, right? So this is doing some work. So what we can do is we can open a new window maybe, and let's open Laravel extended relationship. Let's zoom it. We don't need AI. We don't need these terminals. Okay. We what we can really do is uh, we can pull the changes. Okay, and let's try to do composer I So it will like nothing to upgrade and nothing to add it. Um, okay, now, wow. Oh, because we have the composer lock, not pushed to the. So let's do composer update instead. So while it is doing composer update, let's see what AI agent has done. It is doing few things. It has maybe it is still doing some research, and there is nothing changed yet. It has created 7 to-dos, which is like access current codebase state, search for breaking changes pattern, which I think it is doing right now. Then upgrade the composer JSON dependencies, apply code breaking changes, update config files, and run composer update. Let's see what happens. After that, so before that, let's see. I think now it's getting upgraded to that already. And let me see if I do composer test and it is working as well. Okay. So tests are passing. Okay, so what we have in this composite test, we have lint and everything, but in the test, so let's try to check composer test lint. So I don't know, I could even do directly lint the project, so you don't need to wait for like errors. Yeah, let's wait for that. Till then, let's see what AI is doing. Uh, so aha, I forgot to show you that what Laravel Shift has had for us. So it has just updated some workflow. Like I don't know, this is just syntax change, I guess. It has added Laravel 13 to it. Mm. And like skip PHP 8.2 case for Laravel 13. That's it. And we have 11, 12, 13, 9, 11, 9, 10, 11. But we need, I think it forgot to do something which we need to do here, which is in the workflow. So this is what AI is doing. AI has, I think, updated the JSON file already. Let's see what it has done with the JSON file. So it has done 13.0 here. It has updated Tinker and some like, oh, it has also upgraded to Pace 4. I don't know if like Laravel 13 is required upgrading to the Pace 4, but it is doing. Let it do. It is doing some else which we can review later. But it is asking me to do few things, which is how importing. I hope. Yeah. So what happened is we updated the uh, find, right? I guess. No, it's remove useless param tag. Oh, okay. So what it is removing is this string. Oh yeah. I think that's good actually. So let's do composer lint. Okay. Let it do things and it's compare yeah, whatever. So it has done some lints. So we will just wanna do what it has done. Lint. Right. Then we need to check the workflow. Right. Where Laravel Shift has upgraded everything perfectly other than few things which is we need to show okay okay sorry. We need to yeah. So here we need to say that for Laravel colon 13 dot star we need a test bench version. Okay, sorry. Oh, oh yeah. What wrong here? Nothing. 11, right? I think that will gonna fix the issue. But if it does not, then we need to do some uh, debugging for that. All right. So here we can. I don't know why it is not asking. Okay. and I don't think so. It needs a description, but we need to make the workflow pass, and the workflow is running. And okay, but I think I also need to do PHP stand check. Yes. Oh, where I can see the workflow running. Mm, mm, yeah, no. So we actually, so actually the workflow is not running. That means we have some issues with the workflow. So most probably we need to define the carbon version. I guess so. Yeah, I think so. To make, like, to run the workflows, I guess. And then if I don't know if I even need to reload. I think I okay, no problem. We can see what AI has done. So it has changed something into the cache. Yeah, which we can see into the uh, changes, and here it has updated the validation CSRF token to prevent request forgery stuff, and of course it has some error though. I don't know why, because I think it haven't done the composer update yet. That can be the reason. That is the reason, I guess. But yeah, we can see. So still the workflow is not running at all. Oh, it failed previously. Okay, what was the error? Let's see. It says the carbon is missing. Okay, that we fixed. That we actually fixed. So why it is not running at all though? I don't know. How to check? I think GitHub has some issues today. Uh, okay, AI he want to it want to run something. So that allow it. Oh my gosh, what this stuff is? I don't know. Wow. Okay, there is a problem. I guess. We need to okay. Workflow started running finally. The problem seems the this HTML purifier is not compatible yet. Possibly. Let's check. Oh yeah, last time. This is not AI is about not AI not about. Okay, so we have a problem which is let's check the issues are now. I think we can. Oh no, have been created an issue for Laravel 13 stuff. Okay, so there is a problem which is we don't have a support for Laravel 13 right in this uh, HTML purifier stuff. And another problem is AI is actually overriding those stuff into our local. I don't want to do that. This is going crazy. Let let it finish though. Okay, so I think now all the uh, this will pass. We have fixed the workflow. Okay, there is one problem in executing test. What it says? It says denied. Okay, but we haven't added anything at all. Should I rerun this? Yeah, I can rerun this, I guess. And if it is still failing, then there is an issue. We can check. Okay, so we have few more stuff to go, but for that, uh, here it is still doing some stuff. I don't wanna add this package to my, project. So what we can do is we can revert this change and do a WIPPR for that. That will be the ideal for me to do, and I will try to do uh, uh, Laravel 13 uh, support on this project. Even I don't know, like if it is for Laravel only. Yeah, of course it is. Let me check. There is. Okay. So it is still running, and most probably this will gonna pass, and we will gonna merge it, and then we will release it. But so till then, let's open one more package, or maybe let's go for LiveWire, Laravel LiveWire. And here what we will gonna do is we will not gonna use AI at all. Like so, let's go to the upgrade guide and start from the starting. Updating dependencies. So we need to update a Laravel framework to 13, Boost to 2.0, then Tinker to 3.0, PHP unit to 12, and Page to 4. Okay. So let's go to the composer. Jason, and what we can do here is we can just go and do 13.0 here, uh, 3.0 here, and I think other things we can just keep them however they are. Boost is fine, is perfect, sale is perfect, Mocha is perfect, Rector paste is perfect, Poison is perfect, paste. So here we need to do 4.0, and most probably this will gonna be 4.0 as well. Oh, we haven't upgraded to PHP stand 3.0 yet. Yeah, that's fine. Let's do composer update as well after that. But before that, we mean, okay. Let's see what happens if we have any compatibility issues. But what I remember is we don't have any extraordinary packages at all here. So let's see what happens. And then we will. Oh, I haven't done that though. Let's just open any random terminal. I will also gonna do that. I don't know if that will even gonna work because what I remember is when you do this, so this part is done. Okay. Wow, this is done. So what we can do is we can just say Laravel 39 compatibilities, and, and we can comment it. Now we can what we can do is we can just to compose a test and let's see if everything is passing or not. Right. Until then we can see everything is done here. But the problem is I don't know if we need that all now. Okay. So the problem is this purifier stuff is not available at all. Right? I don't want to add that. So what I will gonna do is I will remove this as well. Yeah, and this all stuff seems fine. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's what I was thinking. Okay. So this is the purifier which has released last. I think this is the same stuff. and there is Laravel 13 compatibility by Laravel Shift already. So either we can go for this, right? Right. So yeah, I think we can do this instead of that. So let's add the repository over here. Comma. Okay, we need a comma over here. And fine, perfect. And then we can just add this over there. Let's to commit it as actually first. And add config be updated. Then this config be updated as well. We will need to remember that as well because we need to update that into that. And what they told is to do this. Right, and maybe one space over here and removing the comma. And what we can do is one more thing we can do is we can just say composer update. Till then, I think all taste and everything is passing. We don't need to change anything at all over here, but we need to change few things. And maybe what we can do is, oh, all the tastes are passing actually. Hmm. We have Rector version. Which Rector version we have? Like 3.9, right? I need to check Rector Laravel. I need to check if Rector Laravel is there, like 2.2.0. So we need to actually, okay, this is doing the stuff. Oh, okay. So this is the Rector version. We need to check the Rector Laravel version. Where is the Rector Laravel? We don't have Rector Laravel. Yeah, we have it. And we have 2.2.0. Okay. Why this link? Okay, okay. I think I found the stuff. What we need to do is we need to say over here 13. Oh yeah, perfect. And let's do composer link and see what happens. Alright, and here we got updated the stuff in the Laravel Shift, and what we can do is we can check composer test again. So let's see what happens. Until then, here we are running composer test. Here also we are running composer test. Okay, so lint has done the thing which I guess you can see. Okay. See, so this stuff is already done. Okay, so we updated the Rector to Laravel 13. Okay, we done this billable stuff automatically by Rector PHP. Then we need to go to the configs if we have those. Yeah, we have. We need to go to the catch config and we simply need to copy stuff from here like the cache. What we are looking for actually. Database config, yeah. And we need to go for the catch, yeah. And at the end, we have this serializable classy stuff. And we just need to copy this, paste it over here. I don't know it can be if it can be automated, but we need to do it manually. As we are doing manually stuff. Other thing we need to change is into the sanctum, and we don't have a sanctum at all. Right? Don't have it. phantom at all. We don't need to do that. Yeah, that's perfect. But yeah, of course, I want to tell you that we did this center stuff, which is this, and for that, actually, if I show you this, I have made a PR which is not merged yet. I don't know when it will gonna merge as well, but like this will automatically gonna update that CSRF class middleware to this prevent forgery middleware automatically. So yeah, I think we are done with this already. I guess composer test. So if this tests are passing fully, then we can merge it. Again, we can do one more thing over here, which is just go to the Rector and say 13, right? And run composer wait. You know what I mean? Okay, so this is running. These all tests are passed. There was some stuff which maybe not for now. So here we are just merging this PR so that we can now release it simply. I don't know if we call it what we call it. Let's give it tag like 2.2.0 could be a good stuff to start over here, and we can say generate release note. Let's say Laravel 13 support. Let's publish. I don't know if we need to write Laravel Shift, but it's not being released and tests are failing somehow. Okay, let's see. I don't know why it's failing. Oh, by the way, this is good, but I cannot put a screenshot with test failing, so we will wait for test to pass. Till then, let's see here what happens. The same thing, I guess. Yeah, I guess same thing, same thing, same thing. Okay, so what we are gonna do is we can say this, say this. I think now we can just run composer test, and if all the tests are passing, we can just publish and merge. Then we can also see that these all tests are passing already. So what we can do is, I don't know, VS Code got some bugs here, but yeah. So what I will gonna do is now I will just gonna publish this, and this one is actually another project which is something we can see here, Laravel 13, and oh yeah, is okay. I don't think so. We need any other stuff. Let's let it run workflow maybe. Yeah. Until then, let's see. So I don't think so. We need this now, and all okay. This is still running. I don't know why. Okay. So if all the tests are passing, why should we change anything at all? I don't know. So we don't use this container code. We don't use these as well. We don't use this as well, I guess. What I remember, we don't use this. We don't use. Okay, there is one contact, but we are not overriding this. Sorry, we don't use these. We don't use this at all as well. We are not using this as well. Okay, collection model serialization historical loading relations. We are not using that as well. We are not using that as well. Okay, I don't think so. that matters much. Okay. Delete when missing model. Delete when missing models. We don't get that as well. Job attempted. We don't use that. We don't use this as well. I don't think so. We even have anything which is breaking right now. But yeah, we will still check. We don't have any scheduler at all. I think when we will gonna upgrade Pinkery to Laravel 13, we will need to check properly everything. But for now, we don't use anything at all. Okay, we done this already. We don't use this. We don't use this. We don't use this. Okay, I think JS from could be there. Need to check for this one. But it's not here. So we can publish this. We can check over here. We don't have this. Okay, I think this is okay. Workflows are failing. Workflows are failing because workflows are failing. You need to check why workflows are failing. And for on what it is failing on live ad chat app. So here we have live ad chat app. On the workflows, 8.3 is fine. Okay, there is no problem seems over here. So let's see actually what failed. Okay, okay. I think I found the problem. The problem is we are running PHP 8.4 over here and we need to switch to Laravel. Oh, sorry, PHP 8.3. Then what we need to do is we need to do composer update over here. You can say that just composer view. So everything, every dependency is gonna will downgrade it, and I think so. We should do that over here as well. Composer view, or maybe what we can do is other thing is we can just like switch to 8.4. That will be the good idea. I don't know. Let it be 8.3 for now because like paste 4 and 3 is supporting. Last time we did it for like upgrading to paste 3, I guess. I don't think so. But yeah. So we actually downgrade to PHP 8.3. Right? Oh, not bad. And let's run the composer test again if we have some changes for like stuff. And here we also have the same stuff. I'm just gonna copy and do some paste again, so we can check if like after doing this downgrading the dependency, do we even have like any change to do as per the test. These tests are running till then. We can check this PR stuff is running as well. Okay, so let them. Oh, okay, we need to open the PR in basic CRUD actually. So let's do that. Oh, who subscribed? Joe. Okay. Thanks for subscribing. Hmm. Uh, okay. So now let's see if all the stuff is passing. Okay. This workflow is running. This workflow is running as well. And this is we don't need to look now. Oh, it is still running. Let this do run. Till then, we can go for another package, which is maybe commands. Okay. So this is passed. So what we can do is we can simply switch to extended commands, right? And let's say extended commands, right? Simply. And here what we will gonna do is we will simply close everything first. We don't need this. Okay. I don't know why I'm not able to close this. Close all. Oh, close, close. Okay, fine. Now here, firstly, we will gonna just open the file Laravel 13. Right? Simply, yeah. And here we actually just need to do what? So this is fine. This is perfectly fine. We just need to add or 13 over here. Lara style is fine. Lara paint is fine. Rector post is fine. Collision I'm not sure about. I think in upgraded there wasn't something related to that. But here we need to add like 11, I guess. Yeah, point 0.0. Perfect. I don't know, like this is like low to up, and this is low to up, then this is up to low, then this is low to up. There's an inconsistency, but that's fine. Okay, other things looks fine. I think so. It's fine, simply fine. It looks simply fine. Everything seems simply fine because we don't have Tinker. So firstly, we're gonna do this. Of course, we need to do much more than this. And then we will go to workflows. What we're gonna do is we will just gonna add 30 a star over here, and here what we will gonna do is okay. Here we have something like this. So let's say Laravel colon 13 dot star oh, star and paste branch colon 11 dot 0.0. Oh yeah, we need to do something like this over here, and most probably this will gonna work, right? But if it does not, then we will need to do something. So I will publish the branch. Okay, on the origin for sure. Let's do one thing. First of all, let's remove the remote, the extra remote, so we don't have any confusion in the future. Let's do composer update over here. You simply see. Oh, right. So till then, we don't need this at all as well. And yeah, we can just open this PR. Laravel 30. Alright. I think we can merge this simply and delete the branch as well and go to the basic CRUD. We can merge this branch as well and delete the branch. Okay, this is running. We can close this one. Okay, here now we can go for another package, which can be, I guess, Laravel extended relationship is done, extended class is done, broadcast with Laravel does not need anything at all. Mr. Dev, PHP info. This is, I think I will gonna do later because it is not even released yet. Rector paste, no, no. Okay, this one we can do. Okay, this is it. I don't know. Let's make this one. So Laravel auth jobs, and here what we can do is we can just simply open more and auth jobs. Okay, let's close everything other than this. Okay, we are actually supporting much more things. So here we can do Laravel 13, Lara Stan is fine, Pint is fine, Rector collision is fine. In a test bench, we can say paste it over here and say just 11. Paste is fine. Okay, other stuff looks fine. So let's just do Okay. Stuff over here. Here we can just do button star. Here we can do Laravel button dot star. Oh, yeah, perfect. So this will gonna work. Ah, we forgot to do one thing here, which is Laravel column button. Oh, sorry, dot star. I think that will be the issue in these other package as well. Maybe if we are supporting PHP 8.2, right? So I think this is what we will maybe need to do. So let's do that. Okay. Okay, we have some issue over here. Let's undo. Let's undo. Uh, we made some issues over here. Which is this. My gosh, there is some issues. Do this. And let's go to the main. Let's pull up everything. Then let's do Control Z over here and Control Z over here as well. So most probably we will have, okay, one more Control Z. Yeah, yeah. Now we have actually support for this, and we can do this. And here we have perfect. But we also need to create a branch. To create Laravel 13. Hopefully this is the last package, I guess. I don't know. I thought we will have many things to do, but okay. Let's publish it. But before that, let's do composer update and okay, let's create the, yeah. Oh, all the tests are passing somehow. Need to check and this. Okay, this is still doing composer update. This has done the composer update already. And let me turn off this. And okay, we are not supporting PHP 8.2 here. Why we are not supporting PHP 8.2 over here? I think we can add PHP 8.2 support somehow. I think so. But could we add it with the Laravel 13 support? I don't know. Let's check Composer JSON. Oh, we do. So what is the problem? Oh, okay, we are not supporting maybe because of context or something like that. Which this is Laravel extended commands. And we are supporting Laravel 11, 12, and 13. 11 was supporting Laravel PHP 8.2. So we should support PHP 8.2. But hey, thanks for joining. Okay, so this is running the test, but, and I think this will gonna pass as well. Perfect. And composer run is already done. So let's do composer taste, and actually let's check composer taste of which is what it is. Okay, it is perfect. It's saying something. So let's do composer link. Oh, so let's do composer link to fix this rector and maybe print error. So it will be linked till then we're gonna run same stuff over here as well. We actually updated the compose dependencies, right? These all tests are passing. These all tests are passing. Okay. Wait. So there is one issue actually here. Uh, so I have run composer test, but the problem could be that we are okay. With this we are only supporting PHP 3 currently, right? So that will not be the problem somehow. I don't know. I mean, I have confusion here where like we should support PHP 8.2 or not. Like we have Laravel 13, which does not support Laravel, sorry, PHP 8.2, and maybe some there is will be some issues with that. I don't know. Let's actually go with the flow for that. For this, okay, this is passing. Um, this is mostly passing because all of the stuff is running. Well, I mean, ran already. This one is thing is pending. And we have issues over here. Okay, so let me check this. So we are not supporting PHP 8.2 over here, and I really don't not sure why we are not supporting. Uh, oh, we have updated the PHP 8.1 version to include PHP 8.5. Okay. Hmm. I have a question to ask. Anyone can assist. I would like to install Laravel 12 via command, but it doesn't create a project. I don't want to use latest 13. Oh, for that, maybe you can say do Laravel new, then do help, maybe first. So you will find something for sure that development branch. Okay, branch. The branch that should be created for new repository. No, that's not that. Feature, organization database, React. I think using is also that, but I don't know. Alright, I actually done that before, and I'm literally forgot that what what I done to do that. Uh, going crazy. Oh, is that bug? It is only for display, right? I will come back to this, but right now the problem is so here we have. I think we can run this. We can just say lint. That is only one thing we have changed. So I think we can just return object. That will be fine. Okay, let's push this, and we have pushed it into the Laravel uh, extended. Okay, Laravel all jobs equal to. Okay, that's fine. Wait. So I think in Rector we will have a PHP 8.2 over here, maybe somehow. Oh yeah, these PHP sets will actually gonna do that. So we don't have any issue with this one. So let's run the composer test again, finally. Here as well, composer lint. And we can also do Google for him. Create new Laravel project or old version. So what it will do? Okay, we don't want to do create project actually. We want to do with a Laravel new. Oh, create project is there for sure, but for the Laravel new, I don't know. Maybe I can do this. Mm, it is still showing composer create project stuff. Mm, okay. Mhm. I think you need to do composer require, I guess, only. I don't know if you can also decrease, I mean, downgrade the Laravel global Laravel installer. That can also help, I guess so. So we actually done the lint over here. Let's say lint over here. Right now we are not over like that stuff Laravel PHP 2. So okay. Let's see if anything is left to upgrade on Laravel 13. I mean, yeah, of course we have many things over here like PHP 2 which also supports Laravel somehow. But I don't know Laravel auth jobs. We will gonna do it in a moment. Laravel Rector PHP maybe UI. I don't know if it is even upgraded to Laravel Live as 13. Let me check other repositories. Okay, there is no other repositories to upgrade. Uh, okay, so I think we have upgraded all this stuff. Uh, yeah, I guess so. Okay, perfect. So we will just wanna wait for this days to pass. We're gonna merge it and do a release. I think this was quicker because we don't have to change anything at all. I mean, honestly, I mean there was no breaking change at all. Let's merge this, delete this branch. Let's go over here, go for the releases, draft new release. Let's create a new tag 1.3.0. Create a tag, generate stuff, and you can say like Laravel 13, and let's publish it. If this work is done, and here it is still running. So we actually closed one of the stuff which was this is Laravel extended commands. This one is I don't know which one it is. All jobs we don't need this. We can do one thing which is like in a basic error. Ah, yeah, we cannot do that actually because Laravel Shift has already done. Right. Yeah. So what we can do is let you touch news purifier. Maybe we can go and just ping. Okay, someone has already pinged. There is issue as well. Any chances of landing soon? And okay, I think it is also approved. That's not much yet. Why? I don't know. Alright, so it is all passed. Let's merge it. Get the branch. Let's go over here. With releases. Craft new release. Wait a moment. Craft new release. It says 1.4.0 most probably. Run it notes. Publish the release. Okay. So I think Laravel thing has been added to most of the important repositories. There is few more things, but I don't know. I mean, this is still not released, so people are not using it yet. So Laravel 2, let's say PHP 2 is needs the Laravel 13 support. Composer JSON. So in require we have stuff, right? We don't have like Laravel context and all. When we did here we can just add 13 if we want. That's it. Hmm. Okay. We need to check one more thing. which is like workflow. So if it has workflow which has something related to Laravel 13 or 12 or 11, there is nothing. Oh, it's changelog of update changelog. So, oh, run test is here. It has 8.3, 8.2, so, but there is nothing related to Laravel. So I think we need to add something related to Laravel in this, but I think it's already like 1 hour. We will not gonna add that over here. So I think we upgraded everything to Laravel 13 and released them as well. I guess so. So, okay, this is it for now. Then, see ya guys. Bye bye. Thanks for joining and be till the end.